Welcome to online classes BEO Nalgonda YouTube channel. Hi students, today we discuss 8th class English medium factorization and a topic. English medium 12th chapter factorization. Listen carefully. Some number 12. Eighteen, 15. These numbers 2-digit numbers. 12. 12 exactly divisible by which number? But suppose 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Remainder is 0. 3 4s are 12. Remainder is 0. Another number 6 2s are 12. Remainder is 0. Which is the number exactly divisible by the numbers is called factors. Factors. 12 1 2 3 4 6 12 are factors of 12. Factors of 12. 1 2 3 4 6 12 are factors of the 12. 15 factors. 15. 1 into 15 15. 2 table vastada 15? No. 3 5s are. These are factors. 15 1 3 5 15 are factors. Factors of 15. Factors of 15. 18. 1 18s are 18. 2 9s are. 3 6s are. 3 6s are. These are factors. How many factors? 1 2 3 6 9 18 are the factors of 18. We carefully observe 1 and itself, every number is a factor 1. 1 is the every number is factor, and every number is itself factor. Every number is itself factor. Here 1 12 itself. 1 is always any number factor of the 1, and itself the number is factor. But suppose 24. Find the factors 24. Find the factors 24. Right. 24. 1 24s are 24. 1 24s are 24. 2 12s are. 2 12s are. 3 8s are. 3 8s are. 4 6s are. 4 6s are. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24 are the factors. These are factors. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24 are the factors. These are factors. Suppose 20. Prime factors. How many prime factors? 20. 2 tens are 2 5s are 2 into 5. 2 and 5 prime factors. 2 and 5 are prime factors. Prime factors. Suppose 24. 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Here 1 2 3 2 cube 3 power 1. 3 power 1. If any number a power m into b power n into c power p, suppose m is any natural number and m is any natural number, m is any natural number, prime products is a power m into b power n into c power p dash dash dash. Here ABC are prime numbers. ABC are prime numbers. Total number of factors. Total number of factors. Total number of factors is m plus 1 into n plus 1 into p plus 1 dash dash. Total number of factors. Total prime numbers. Total prime factors. Prime factors m plus n plus p dash dash. Total prime factors. Total number of prime factors. Total number of factors. Put suppose 24. 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. These are factors. How many factors? 8 factors. How many factors? 8 factors. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here 12. 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 power 2 into 3. 2 power 2 into 3 power 1. Here how many factors? 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. 3 into 2 అంటే 6 factors. 12 have how many factors? 6 factors. Here చూడు 1 2 3 4 5 6 factors. 12 number of factors. Number of factors. Put suppose 100. How many factors? How many prime factors? 100 is how many factors? How many prime factors? Suppose 100. 250s are 225s are 5 5s are 1 2 power 2 into 5 power 2. 2 power 2 into 5 power 2. Number of factors. మనకు ఫార్ములా ఉంది m plus 1 into n plus 1 into p plus 1 dash dash. m is any natural number a power m into b power n into c power p dash dash. ABC are prime numbers. 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 3. 9 factors. How many factors? 9 factors. Mari number of prime factors. Number of prime factors. 2 plus 2. 4. Right, check it. Check చేద్దాం. 100. 1 into 100. 2 into 50. 3 table know కదా. 4 25 za. 5 20 za. 5 20 za. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ఇంకేం నెంబర్ వస్తుంది? Number of factors. How many? 250s are, 225s are, 55s are. Right. 425s are. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8. How many? 8. Dear students, 100s are, 250s are, 425s are, 520s are, 10 10s are. 10 2 times వచ్చింది. ఓన్లీ కౌంట్ 1 అంటే 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 4 5 10 20 25 50 100. These are 100 factors. These are 100 factors. How many factors? 9 factors. How many prime factors? 4 prime factors. 4 prime factors. Right. Any big number. Suppose 504. 504. How many factors? 504 is right. How many factors? 504. Right. 2 2s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 7 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are. 2s how many? 1 2 3. 2 power 3. 3's how many? 2. 3 power 2. Only 7 1. Only 7 1. Power is 1. Number of factors. Number of factors. 3 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 4 into 3 into 2. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 factors. 504 is a how many factors? 24 factors. Any big number? Any number? How many factors? This formula. How many prime factors? Sum of only powers. Prime factors. We find prime factors sum of only powers. Number of factors multiplied powers 1 m plus 1 into n plus 1 into p plus 1. Students, we discuss numbers of factors, right? We discuss factors of algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. Suppose 11xy 11 into x into y 11xy. Suppose 5mn 5mn 5 into m into n. 11 is a factor, x is a factor, y is a factor. y is a factor. Is 11xy is a expression, algebraic expression. Mn is a algebraic expression. Mn is a algebraic expression. Suppose 6xy plus 6xy plus 3y square. These are monomial. These binomial. In algebraic expression, one term is called monomial, two terms is called binomial, three terms in algebraic expression trinomial, three more than terms are called polynomial or called polynomial. Right, 6xy plus 3y square. Here 6, 2 into 3 into x into y. 6xy is expression factors 2 into 3 into x into y plus 3 into y into y, 3 into y into y, 3 into y into y. Suppose any algebraic expression, these binomial, suppose x cube plus p m minus 8 x into x plus p into m minus 8 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. We find common factor. Suppose here 3 is the common factor. 3 is the common factor. Also y is the common factor. Y is the common. This is no common factor. This expression it's 3 terms, trinomial, no common factor. Suppose 4p square plus 10pm minus 12. Look here, 2 into 2 into p into p plus 10, 2 5s p into m minus 12 and the 2 into 3. Here 2 is the common factor. This 3 terms, only common factor is 2. This common factor is 3y. Factors of algebraic expressions, right? Factors are by grouping the terms. Suppose px plus my plus nx plus ky. This is an algebraic expression, is a polynomial also. 1 2 3 4 terms. 3 more than terms are called polynomial. Right, here factorization by grouping the terms. But suppose same like terms, px nx like terms, my n ky is the like term. Suppose px plus nx. Another grouping the terms, like terms are one group, my plus ky. Here common x common, p plus n. Here y common, m plus k, m plus k. P plus n plus y into m plus k. This factorization grouping the terms. Suppose another example, x cube plus 2x square, plus 5x plus 10. Here these two terms are one group, these two terms are another group. Here common, x square common, this x into x. Here x plus 2, they multiply them same given algebraic expression, x square into x cube, x square into 2x square, plus here also two terms are one group. Which is the common? Plus 5 common, x plus 2. Here one x plus 2, here x plus 2. X plus 2 is the same group, another x square plus 5. These are factorization by grouping the terms. Any given expression, binomial or trinomial or polynomial, any given expression, terms are divided, like terms are divided with common factors. My dear students, we know identities, factorization using identities. We know identities have first identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. First identity, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Another, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. These are three identities. More than identities also, only we discuss factorization, three identities. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square also a plus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Some examples. X square plus 10x plus 25. X square plus 10x plus 25. Here we observed x whole square plus here 5 whole square. The first term is a, last term is b. A square plus b square. Middle term 2ab plus 2ax, b 5. Right, given a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Right, x plus 5 whole square, x plus 5 whole square, x plus 5 whole square. Another example, L square minus 16L plus 64. Right, this an algebraic equation. Right, first term is L square, last term is 64, L whole square. Right, plus 64, 8 8s are 8 square. Right, given minus A, B, A term and B term. Right, middle term is 2AB, 2, A means L, B means 8. A square minus 2AB plus B square, 2AB plus B square. A square minus 2AB plus B square is equal to, ఏమొస్తుంది చూడండి, A square minus 2AB plus B square is equal to A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square. ఇది second identity. Right, L minus 8 whole square. L minus 8 whole square. We discuss more than problems also. Right, another problem, another example. 49x square minus 25y square. 25y square. Here 49 7 square x square minus 25 5 5 5 square y square. Here also 7x whole square. Right, we also write 7x whole square 5y whole square. This which identity? A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus. Same right as it is 7x plus 5y. 7x plus 5y into 7x minus 5y. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. A is the first term, B is the second term. First term, second term. First term, second term. A square minus B square, we know A plus B into A minus B. We reverse A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B. 7x plus 5y into 7x minus 5y. Students, we discuss another method, factorization. Factors of the form x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here 1x square, coefficient of x square 1, coefficient of x 12, constant 35. Here coefficient of x square constant are 1 into 35, 1 into 35, 35. Which table are divisible? 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Here 7 into 5, 35. 7 plus 5, 12 is the coefficient of x. Product of the any two numbers, 35. Sum or difference is equal coefficient of x. Here 7 5s are 35. 7 plus 5, 12 is the right x square plus 5x plus 7x plus 35. 5x plus 7x we are adding 12x is the common. మనం grouping the terms అన్నాం. ఈ two terms grouping is the common factor x. Here x common. X plus 5 plus 7x 35. ఈ two terms is common factor 7. 7 common factor. X plus 5. These are first bracket. Any group same, another bracket also same algebraic expression, right? X plus 5 into x plus 7. These are the factors given expression. X square plus 12x plus 35, x plus 5 and x plus 7 are factors, the factors of x plus 5 and x plus 7 are factors of given expression. Which expression? X square plus 7x plus 35. Okay students, next another problem we discuss 1x square minus 5x plus 6. Here 1 into 6, 1 into 6, 6, 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Given coefficient of x minus 5, minus 2 into minus 3, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Here suppose minus 1 into minus 6 also 6a. Kani minus 1 minus 7 we add minus 1 minus 6 we add minus 7. Not minus 7. Coefficient of x is not minus 7. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6, minus 2 minus 3 we adding minus 5. Minus 5, right? X square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. X common factor, x minus 2. Minus 3 common factor, x minus 2. Here x into x, x square, x into 2, 2x. Minus 3 into x, 3x, minus into minus plus. We multiplied above the expression, same. Above the expression same. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus into minus plus, 3 2s are 6. We are the common, x minus 2, only one right. Another, x minus 3. These are factors of given expression. These are factors of given expression. Right? Another example we listen. 2 into 10. 2 into 10. 2 tens are 20. First of all, coefficient of x square, constant term, product, we product. Another 2 tens are 20. 2 plus 10, 12. Here 12? No. No. Right. Inka another which table is divisible by 20? 5 4s are 5 4s are 5 4s are 20. Mari 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 is the coefficient of x. Any two product of two numbers, this product we add or subtraction, coefficient equal coefficient of x, equal coefficient of x, right? 2x square plus 4x plus 5x plus 10. 2x square plus 4x plus 5x plus 10. Where 2x square 4x. 2 is the common factor and x is the common factor. 2x is the common factor. X plus 2. X plus 2. Right. Here 5x, 5 into x, 2 into 5. Here, these two terms la 5 is the common factor. 5 is the common factor. 5 common factor. X plus 2. Right. X plus 2 into remaining. This 2 equal ne 1 le rayale. 2x plus 5 is the factors of the given expression. Given expression. We practice exercises, more than problems. Discuss with your mathematics teacher. Discuss with your mathematics teacher. Dear students, we discuss division of an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is one term is called monomial, 2 terms is called binomial, 3 terms is called trinomial, 3 and more terms 4, 5, 6 dash dash terms is called multinomial or polynomial. Multinomial or polynomial. We discuss first of all division of a monomial by a monomial. Suppose 5x square divided by 10x. 5x square divided by 10x. We write 5x square by 10x. 5 into x into x. 2 into 5 into x. We cancel 5 cancel, x cancel. Here x by 2. X by 2. Sometimes 5 ones are 5 twos are power 1 here power 2. 1 power is cancelled. X is cancelled. Here also cancellation. Right, x by 2. Another example, 100 mn divided by 20 m. 100 mn divided by 20 m. We write 100 mn by 20 m. 0 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2 5s are. M cancel. Remaining 5 into n. 5n. We are more than practice this type. Any number, any polynomials. Monomial, any monomial. Monomial also polynomial. Polynomial is not monomial. Right. Another division of a binomial with a monomial. Suppose 4x square minus 8 divided by 2x divided by 2x. Here carefully observation, 4x square minus 8 by 2x. 4x square by 2x minus 8 by 2x. 4 ante 2 2s x into x by 2 into x minus 2 into 2 into 2 2 into x. Here 2 2 cancel, x cancel, 2 2 cancel, x. Here 2 2 cancel ante 2 into x 2x minus 2 2s are 4 by x. 4 by x. We did practice more than in textbook problems. We practice. Right. Division of a trinomial. Suppose x square plus 8x minus 12 divided by 4x divided by 4x. We write x square plus 8x minus 12 by 4x by 4x. Each term x square by 4x, 8x by 4x minus 12 by 4x. 1x is the cancel. X cancel. 4 1s are 4 2s are. 4 1s are 4 2s are. 4 1s are 4 3s are. Here x by 4 plus 2 minus 3 by x minus 3 by x. Division of a multinomial by another monomial. Give an example. X power 4 plus 2x square plus 10x minus 8 divided by 2x. We write x power 4 plus 6x square plus 10x minus 8 divided by 2x. Separate the each term. X power 4 by 2x plus 6x square by 2x plus 10x by 2x minus 8 by 2x. 8 by 2x. Here no constant term. X ఒక x cancel అంటే 3 x power 3. 2 1s are 2 3s are 1x cancel. x cancel 2 1s are 2 5s are. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Here x cube by 2 plus 3x minus plus 5 minus 4 by x. 4 by x. 4 by x. We discuss division of algorithm next 9th class or 10th class. More than problems. Only here just division. Simple divisions. Just simple divisions. We practice. This chapter is small chapter. My dear students, we practice 3 exercise. Your mathematics teacher, your notebooks, right. Thank you.